Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 to your phone. First, ensure your watch has at least 80% battery charge and your phone is running the latest software update. Then, download the Galaxy Wearable app from your phone's App Store, a crucial step for a smooth connection. Getting these preparations right will make the entire process much easier and quicker to complete. Once your preparations are complete, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone. You will see a welcoming screen. Simply tap the Start button to proceed. The application will then automatically begin searching for any nearby Galaxy Watch 7 devices using your phone's Bluetooth. Make sure your watch is powered on and close to your phone for successful detection. Now, from the list of devices that appears in the app, select your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. A pairing request with a matching code will then display on both your phone and your watch. Confirm this code on both devices to authorize the connection. The watch will now begin pairing with your smartphone, a process that typically takes about 1 minute to complete. After successful pairing, the app will guide you through the setup. Grant all necessary permissions for features like fitness tracking and notifications to work properly. You will then be prompted to log in with your Google account, which syncs your contacts and calendar. Finally, personalize your watch by selecting a watch face and adjusting settings, ensuring it perfectly suits your daily needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.